When you have wet or damp surfaces and excess moisture, Dri-Eaz Velo and Velo Pro air movers deliver high-velocity airflow for contractor-grade drying power and unrivaled durability. The Velo has 4 versatile operating positions, and the Velo Pro has 5 with its onboard kickstand. Use them to dry wet floors and entryways to reduce slips, trips, and falls. Damp carpets after a leak, spill, or cleaning. Up or along damp walls, even in hallways. On wet stairs or angled spaces. Ceilings, you can direct the airflow straight up. Anywhere you need to circulate air to keep humidity down. In healthcare facilities, offices, hotels, or restaurants. Really, in any public area. Quieter equipment minimizes disruption, and the Velo Pro sets a new quiet standard. Use the Velo HEPA kit attachment to filter air in schools and healthcare environments, including assisted living, clinics, and more. The Velo draws just 1.9 amps. Press the down arrow on the Velo Pro to dial down the fan speed and amp draw as low as 1.2 amps and the quietest operation ever. Using the GFCI outlet, you can connect up to 10 Velo Pros for better coverage and fewer trip hazards in large areas. Daisy chaining also helps where outlets are limited. The streamlined, space-saving size and stackability, plus lightweight design and flexible handle, make Velos easy to carry and store. To dry damp areas more effectively, especially after a leak or small flood, use either Velo model with a Dri-Eaz dehumidifier for the most efficient moisture control. Molded and assembled in U.S. plants, Dri-Eaz is the leading choice for reliability, durability, ease of use, outstanding technical support and service, and great ROI.